Here we go, boys and girls. Let's do a problem about fraction addition and just kind of making sense of it, actually. This is a neat problem that helps us see how to add fractions going the decimal approach. So David wants to find 3/10 plus 21/100 and is wondering if using decimals can help him make sense of adding fractions. All right, the key is here, can we add tenths with hundredths easily? Not quite. So how can 3/10 and 21/100 be written using decimals? So I know that my place value, so I know here's my decimal. If this is my decimal, I know that this place here is the ones place. And then I know as I go this way, I'm getting smaller by a factor of 10. So this place here is the tenths place. The next place is the hundredths place, and then thousands, 10,000s, and goes on and on and on. So I want to write 3/10. So I want the 3 to be in the tenths place. So that's what we have for 3/10. So I have 0.3 is 3/10. Plus 21/100. So here's the hundredths place. So I can't fit 21 like that. I can only put one digit per place. So the 1 goes here and the 2 goes here. That's 2/10 and 1/100 is the same thing as 21/100. So this is 2/10 and 1/100 makes 21/100. And now we're going to add them together. So if I add them together, I can add tenths with tenths. And I would get, well, it's easier to line them up like this as well. So when I add decimals, I like to line them up. So now I'm adding tenths with tenths. I could also make this 30/100. So now I'm adding 30/100 with 21/10. And this is what I just did, is what we're going to do with the fraction, adding fractions here. We need common denominators here. I can't add hundredths with tenths. So let me add this. That's 1/100. That makes 5/10. And that's what we have. We have 51/100. Now the question is, how can we, I shouldn't erase that, but that's all right. How can your answer from part A be written as a fraction? Well, if you can say this as 51/100, that's what it becomes as a fraction, 51/100. So rewrite 3/5 as a fraction that could easily be added to 21/100. I can't add 3/10 easily. I can't add that easily, but if I could make this, instead of like we did, we made it 30/100. Then we could add them more easily and get 51/100. All right, hope you enjoyed that.